Welcome back, everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to stick a headrest cover on a headrest. A common problem that we run into quite a bit is the hole is often way too small to shove something like that in. So simple tools that you'll need is a trash bag, a pair of scissors, your steamer, and a powerful vacuum. So what we'll end up doing is we'll stick that headrest on the steamer that's already been going. We want to get that nice and warm so it's nice and pliable. Then we'll take our trash bag and stick the headrest in there. What that's going to do is act like a vacuum bag when we put the vacuum on it and suck that foam down into a tight little ball. The plastic trash bag on it as well will help it slide on nice and easy. So the only trick is you kind of want to make sure you have the vacuum touching the foam before you click it on so you don't suck the bag up into the vacuum. Now close the bag, and as you can see it sucks it down into virtually nothing. And here you can kind of help it by squeezing the foam, pushing all the air out of it, making it as small as possible so when you grab that headrest that you made, it should slide on nice and easy. Pull that off the steamer. And just work it on. As you can see with it on, you got plenty of room, plenty of play. Kind of maneuver it, get it kind of in position where you know it's going to work, and then just pull the vacuum off or turn the vacuum. Then you just got to kind of maneuver it into place. Like that, it puffs up, fills it up nice. It's already steamed and relaxed, so we'll go through and we'll take our scissors and we'll cut off any of the extra trash bag sticking through. Trim off the bag so you don't see any of it. That. And then just go ahead and clip it. Just like that. Nice and easy. Went in there with no ripping. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.